everyone, it's Alicia with Quilts on Tour, and I'm here with another Nifty Notion Wednesday. Today's Nifty Notion is how to hang your quilt. I have been searching for a while on how to hang up some of my quilts without getting like the really expensive quilt bars kind of thing. And my mom actually found these to hang up her quilt that I made her a little while ago. They're these little clamp thingies that you screw into the wall. Let me show you the pieces. So this is the piece that you screw into the wall. You take this piece and you spin it around a little bit and you put your quilt in here to hold it, and you get this as tight as you want it. And then this little knobby screws on top of here as decoration. So you can, depending on how big your quilt is, you can use 2. It comes in sets of 4, but you can use 2 or 3 or 4, depending on how many you need to securely hold your quilt to the wall. But this is an easy way to display your quilts without having to buy a lot of expensive hardware. I think this set of 4 was maybe 20 bucks on Amazon. I'll definitely put the link in the description below. But thanks, Mom. I love these. So if you want to see more Nifty Notion videos, make sure you subscribe to our channel. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with a friend. And don't forget, today's a great day to quilt.